I need training.
You need the training.
Ah, great. And I suppose you know a better way.
Yes, I'll get food by acting like I don't want food.
That's stupid.
I'll prove it.
Oh, you don't have to prove it. I believe you're stupid.
Oh, Sassy. I wish we didn't have to go away. I'm going to miss you so much.
Just watch me work.
Hungry?
No.
But it's shrimp. You like shrimp.
I
Come
could
on.
possibly.
It's good.
No, I can't. I just can't. I have those 4 pesky ounces still hanging on from Christmas. Oh, well, if you insist.
Told you.
It works. I don't believe it.
Have it.
Ah, a twofer. I gotta remember this.
It's like I said all along, Poopsie. Cats rule and dogs drool.
Get a life. Get 9 of them.
It's true. Cats are smarter than dogs and more attractive. And we don't drink from the toilet.
Why not?
I feel I'm going to be sick. Hey, stop! That's mine!
Yeah, well, you snooze, you lose.
Canines.
Whoa, you sick or what? Hey, bath toys! Oh, that's cold. Oh, come on, I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want to chew on your neck. Whoa, what was that? Whoa, what a pig. Hey, what happened to your fur? Excuse me, but I'm the new chicken monitor here. Hey, you gotta fix this dog door. It's a little small. I'm afraid I may have left a very important phone around here, and here we go. What the? Help! It's Birdzilla! I swear I'll never eat a McNugget again! You guys won't believe some of the weird stuff they got around here. They got this bird the size of a Rottweiler. Looks like somebody ran over his head. Oh, old man, what are you waiting for? They're not coming back.
That just shows you how little you know.
Look, it's happened before. To me. People use you and lose you.
Shame on you for betraying your boy.
Me betray him? Who ditched who? I mean, not that I care. I can get along just fine without him.
How dare you call yourself a dog?
A cat would know better.
Dogs are supposed to be faithful, loyal, and true.
Oh, to people? Why?
Didn't you even notice how sad Jamie looked when he left?
Sheesh. Sorry. Man, I didn't know nobody cared so. Whoa! Hey, Scram, get your own fish.
Careful, pup.
No, we didn't invite these guys. Hey, get out of here. Buzz off, you party crashers. Go steal some porridge.
Chance.
You guys catch that? I smoked them.
I wouldn't be so cocky, Chance.
Hey, whoa, time out. Look, when Chance scares somebody off, they be gone.
Chance!
Lousy punks think because they're bigger than me they can steal my fish. Well, they ain't even that big.
Chance, get away from there.
What is this? Oh, gosh, you look hungry. May I recommend the trout?
No hunting here at the... Shut your trunk, I heard. And I shall do as I please. Listen here, Tiger. Now, if we're all going to live in peace...
You! Berry breath, go suck a beehive.
Nice sidekick, Shere Khan. A hyena that laughs at his own dumb jokes.
Mind your own business, Bagheera.
You're my business, Shere Khan. I'll be watching you.
We'll all be watching you. Don't get your fur in a bunch, Tubby. I'm not in the mood for any of this jungle food. No, I have a craving for Indian food.
I get it. You want to eat an Indian? Oh, no, boss, that's clever, that's rich. Ah, that's the cat. Meow.
Tabaki. What a quark in it.
Aha! I thought I smelled my man cub.
Your man cub?
Yes, mine. I've been tracking him from the moment he left those bloodthirsty humans. That man cub's family killed Shere Khan.
Shere Khan is dead?
Hey, I tried to say must have killed 10, 20 humans myself, but then that man cub got a rifle.
Don't make me laugh, hyena.
Our little Mowgli couldn't hurt a tsetse fly, much less bag a tiger.
Well, he did. And Shere Khan's dying wish was to get even, so give him up.
Nobody threatens my family, Buster.
Yeah, sick him, Pop.
Uh-oh. Can't we bark this over? I guess not. I just be leaving now.
Bearskins finally leave. Raksha, what's up with Mowgli? I saw him following some monkeys over to Monkey Town. They said they had a surprise for him.
A surprise? Shere Khan. Quick, go. Tell the others.
Jill Airlines ready for takeoff. Please still all carry on luggage. Carry on. Yummy.
You're making me nervous. Hello.
Shere Khan, we trapped a man cub in Monkey Town, just like we planned.
Good job. You should come work for me. I'm always on the lookout for new sidekicks.
No. I know what happens to your sidekicks.
Yes, and when I think of them, I still get a lump in my throat. Come on, Tabaki. Let's eat.
Hey, boss. Is it true that humans really taste just like chicken?
Actually, they taste more like hyena. Move it, Tabaki. Chop, chop.
Don't worry, Chief. I know a shortcut.
Monkey Town. Baloo, I told you those monkeys were up to no good. Let's just hope we get there first.
How was I supposed to know they were working for that darn cat?
Hang on, Mowgli. I'm coming.
You know, every great tale has a hero. Not every story has a tail.
Or a trunk and tusk, for that matter. Our hero has all three. Tail, trunk, and, well, small tusks. Speaking of our hero, where is he?
Last I saw of the little fellow, he was over there.
No. They went over that way.
You have no sense of direction.
Now, don't be catty.
This way, Juno. It's over here.
I can't see it.
It's right here.
Where? So hot.
Here. Boy, do we deserve this. Down the hatch.
You see it, Zep? Did you see that zebra run? So cool.
See it? You kidding?
Scared the stripes right off, didn't we, Zep?
Stripes running all over the place.
Yeah, all over the place.
Look, black one's running in one way, and white stripes running in the opposite direction. Never seen anything like it.
Bet he's still running. Still running.
Never gonna stop.
We're gonna get it from Mom, Zep.
She won't find out. That zebra's long gone.
Black stripes running one way. Gonna scare those warthogs out of their skins, too.
This was a special time for two brothers without a care in the world. So much fun. So many games.
Golden days that seemed like they would go on and on.
Those ostriches will be back this way any time.
Why do they stick their heads in the ground?
Beats me. Must be something down there. Hey, what's down there? Show yourself.
Let me. I want to see. Let me. Come on, Seth. My turn. My turn.
Nothing I can see. We have to keep moving.
Find the rainbow.
Find another herd. Find a new family.
Well, lucky. Whose mums let them out to play?
Eat up, Tusker. You need all your strength to catch us today.
Not today, fellas, okay? Other things to be doing. Kinda important things. Like, you know, yeah, important things.
Will ya, Mr. Important Things? More than one of us too much for you, big ears. You know when you're beaten.
I said, forget it.
I think he's checking. He
You're wasting your time. I am not fighting.
Come on, guys. These Tuskers are so serious.
Too serious by half.
Oh, let's go find ourselves some hyenas and have ourselves a good laugh, huh? Bye, Benjamin.
Listen to me. Important things. What a joke.
Zeph, I'm here. I'm here.
You disobeyed me.
Don't be angry, Zeph.
Oh, I couldn't be angry with you.
I couldn't leave you, Zeph.
You're the best little brother a big brother could ever hope for. I'll never fight with you again.
I'll do everything you tell me to.
I don't want that. All I want is for you to listen to me sometimes.
I will. I promise I will.
We're gonna find a new family and chase zebras again. I promise you.
I saw the rainbow, Zeph. I truly did see it.
We'll have lots of time to talk about rainbows.
You know, I love a family reunion as much as the next chimp, but couldn't we get on with it?
Chump's right. We don't have much time.
Well, I don't know how to do it, Zeph. We tried before. Chomp!
Everything's left up to the king. Okay, let's take another look at this thing, okay? Gotcha.
Hurry. The badness is gonna come back any moment.
And who do we have in here? The king of the jungle's here to set you free.
Your Majesty, Your Majesty.
Got it right there, you handsome devil.
Too kind, Your Majesty.
Spread the word.
I've never seen a finer king. Your higher royalness.
Music to my ears. Take off.
Runway.
You're no king. You're a fake. My dad's king of the whole jungle, and I'm a prince.
Prince? Ha! Bush kitten, more like.
Careful how you talk to me. I'll tell my dad and mum when I see them again.
Lost them, have you? Why is everyone suddenly an orphan around here?
I'll find them again. Then you'll be sorry.
No need to get uppity with me.
I'm not calling you king.
You're just saying that.
I mean it. Fake. Fake. You're fake.
Hey, time out. Look, Prince.